Hi everyone, welcome to Elevate 360. I am Vandana Prajapati, an electrical and electronics engineer with experience in the energy sector, especially in hydropower plant operations. Over time, I have also worked on data analysis and business analytics, and I have seen closely how data driven decisions impact real world industries. And that's exactly why this topic is very important. In today's video, we are going to talk about how AI is transforming the energy sector and what it means for business analysts, not just from a theoretical perspective but from a real world career focused point of view. In this video, I will cover what AI really means, why it is becoming so important, where it is being used, how it is changing roles, and what you should do to stay ahead. So, if you are a fresher or a working professional or someone from the energy background, this video will give you a clear direction. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI in the energy sector? In simple terms, AI means using intelligent systems to analyze data, predict outcomes, and make better decisions. Earlier systems were reactive, problems happened first and then we responded. But now system can predict problems before they happen. For example, predicting electricity demand, detecting equipment failure, or optimizing energy usage. So, this is not just automation, this is intelligent decision making. Now, the next question, why is AI becoming so important? Because the energy sector is becoming more complex. Energy demand is increasing. Renewable energy like solar and wind is growing. And smart grids are becoming more interconnected. Managing all of this manually is extremely difficult. Companies need faster, smarter, real time decisions. And that's where AI plays a critical role. It helps reduce costs, improve efficiency, and make better decisions at scale. Let's understand where AI is used across the energy value chain. In power generation, AI helps in load forecasting and renewable prediction. In transmission, it detects faults and improves grid stability. In distribution, it enables smart meters and detects energy theft. And at the consumer level, it helps optimize energy usage. So, AI is not limited to one area, it is transforming the entire system. This transformation impacts multiple roles engineer, operators, data scientist, management. But one role that is becoming extremely important is the business analyst because someone needs to connect business problems with AI driven solution. This is not the future, it is already happening. Right now, companies are adopting AI rapidly. In the next 3 to 5 years, AI will be deeply integrated into energy systems. And in the long term, we will see fully intelligent automated networks. So, the best time to start is now. Let's quickly understand how AI works. First, data is collected from sensors, IoT devices, and systems. Then, the data is cleaned and processed. After that, machine learning models are trained. These models generate predictions and insights. Based on that, decisions are made. And the system continuously learns and improves. So, AI is not a one time solution, it's a continuous cycle. Now let's talk about your role as a business analyst. Earlier, the role was mainly focused on reporting and dashboards, but now it is evolving. You are expected to identify AI use cases, solve business problems, define KPIs, and validate insights. You are no longer just reporting data, you are influencing decisions. You are becoming the bridge between business and AI. So, what skills do you need? First, technical skills like SQL, Power BI, and basic Python. Second, analytical thinking and problem solving. Third, business understanding, especially in the energy domain. And going forward, basic knowledge of AI and automation. Because your value will come from how well you combine these skills. AI, let's make it practical. How do companies implement AI? It starts with identifying a business problem. For example, unexpected equipment failure. Then data is collected and analyzed. An AI model is built and tested. Once validated, it is deployed into the system and then continuously monitored. So always remember, AI starts with a problem, not with technology. AI is creating huge opportunities. There is demand for professionals who understand both business and technology. You can move into roles like AI business analyst, energy data analyst, product analyst, or product manager. And these opportunities are global. But there are challenges as well. Low skill roles will reduce. There is a growing skill gap. Data quality can be poor and cybersecurity risks exist. So continuous learning is very important. Some real world use cases include smart grid optimization, renewable energy forecasting, energy trading analytics, carbon emission tracking, EV charging optimization. These are large scale, high impact problems. The future of energy will be AI driven, sustainable, decentralized, and automated. And the professional who adapt early will lead this transformation. So, what should you do now? Start learning analytics tools, build projects related to the energy sector, understand AI basics, stay updated with industry trends, and focus on solving real business problems. AI will not replace your job, but it will definitely change your job, and those who adapt early will lead the future. If you found this video valuable and you want more content on business analysis, AI, and career growth, subscribe to Elevate 360. Let's build future ready careers together.